What's up guys? So today we're going to be installing an F Sport intake on my LEXUS IS350. So it should be a pretty easy install today. Shouldn't be that hard. We're just going to have to take off all the covers right here and then move this rubber tube and then take out the top, I think, to reuse. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to open it. Now I don't have a knife, so I'm going to use the key. So in the box, it's gonna come with, let's see, part numbers and all that stuff. Comes with. Ooh, it says S Sport. Should have lit. Woo! Look at that. That one's tall. Ooh, look at those welds. Ooh.
See that?
Fire. Is that it? Oh, here it is. This is the reusable filter you're gonna use right here for the intake. This one you can clean out, use oil, re-oil it, so you don't have to waste money. Oh, I guess Frank already took it off, but all the covers right here we're gonna take off already. And then we're gonna take out, I think, this top part right here, and then unplug this right here. And then take off the engine cover too. It was hot.
Yeah, 5-minute install.
Yeah, should be pretty fast, not too hard. Oh yeah, so there's gonna be 4 clamps, or I think 2 or 3. You're gonna have to take off one right here, 1, 2, 3, and then this one right here. And then you're gonna reuse this, and then you're gonna take out the box on the bottom to reuse, or take out, get rid of. And then this tube.
Aren't you replacing this thing too?
Yeah, right here too. So this.
Oh, you're reusing the bottom part?
Only the top part. We're gonna take out, I think, what are they, 10s? 3 10s, which is right there. Right under there.
Very far down there.
Very far there. Should be, I think, is it 3 or 2?
I don't know if I
think it's 2.
Only 2.
Yeah, it's only 2. And then you just take out the box. So right now we took it out. And then where's the, oh yeah, the other. We're gonna reuse this one. And take that out, put this one in there. Woo-wee!
Next.
Yeah. Here. Damn, that looks crazy. Oh, we have to use, I think the clamps too, right? The clamps too, I think, right? Because there's no clamps on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna take off these 3 clamps off the old one to reuse for the new one.
We gotta take these things out too. These grommets.
Really?
Yeah, you had to reuse these grommets.
Okay.
I don't know if they're one-time use or not.
Fine.
I didn't take it out. Let's see.
Oh shit.
So you gotta reuse these things. So you want to take this pin out first, and then you can move the rubber part.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing with the other one.
And then you're gonna place it here, I think? Here?
Yeah.
And right here. Yeah. And then also it has like a side box or air hole on the side for more aggressive note, I guess.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So is it just open?
Hmm? Yeah, it's just, it is open like a little bit, you know.
Okay, so we compare these two.
Yeah, so there's no like side like profile.
Look at the comparison.
There's just like a side box right here for more airflow.
This one's the same, but it's an extra hole.
It's crazy. Can you do that for me? Can you do this shit like that? Oh, okay.
And when we cook at IS350 in Bay Area.
You already know.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna reuse these, or we're gonna get these new ones to put on. I don't know where the other one's at. Oh, there. She goes on the top, right?
So,
Oh,
what the hell? This is thing all the way down. There's a hole down there.
Yeah.
Just gotta fit in there.
Just fit it in.
Okay. Yeah. Guessing it's like, oh.
Sure it's like that?
I think so. Unless it's the other way.
Then you just take this clamp out right here. See? I think. And then the hose should just come off.
Oh shit, you did research, huh? Just
You already know. You just gotta take this part out.
Ooh. What? Is there oil in there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, it's okay, that's normal. Is it? A little oil. Alright.
Just pop them out. Oh. So yeah, we're gonna have to pop, I think, 3 of these out to reuse for the new airbox. Oh shit.
And then you have to top this one up. Make sure you don't get this part dirty. It's your master full sensor.
Okay.
I'm just guessing, honestly. Great mechanic.
It's okay. If it sits, it fits, you know?
Yeah.
Right?
I thought the other way around.
Ooh. Hmm? What?
Where? Oh, it is. Something's getting too hot right here.
What do you think it is?
Shit. The intake. Pushing your car too hard. It's getting kind of burned. I think it's coming from the wire inside though. Is it? It's burning the outside insulation thing.
Oh, fuck, dude. So right now we took out the box because it was hard to put on the clamps.
Oh. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Okay.
There you go.
To take it out, you know, screw the one here, here, and then to put it back in, same thing. Look at that B. R.I.P. bro. This is, yeah, still pretty new actually. Not too dirty.
It's pretty hot right now.
Huh?
It's pretty warm outside.
It's hot though.
Maybe better.
It's up to you.
I feel like your windshield's gonna be pretty hot.
Yeah, it's sunny today, so if you want to put on the banner, it's up to you. I don't care.
If you want to be cool. I'm lazy, I ain't gonna do it.
I'll do it. I got you. I'll do it. And then use the 10, take it out right there. Is it only just one thing? You got a bolt there?
You should be.
Yeah. Oh, the fuck? Chilling. Use these or get new ones. Comes with it, so. Yeah. So when the intake's already off, might as well clean the throttle body because it gets dirty. Right there. See that? Ooh. Oh shit. Oops.
Put all that dirt out.
Ugh. What about here? Do you have to clean this out or no? Did you leave it? Oh.
Really?
Nothing. Look. Why do I look like that? Look how retarded.
Me?
No. The tubing, you know what I'm saying?
Take that. Oh.
What are you doing?
Alright, let's put this.
Oh fuck, what did I do? Did I break it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you broke it.
Fuck you. Alright, time to part out. Right, part out.
Part out. Oh, there you go. That's pretty good, dog.
I like it.
Just leave it like that for now. This is carb legal though. That's
yeah, it's carb. Yeah. Right now we're just re-tightening everything.
Make sure it fits good first.
Yeah. Should be at 8, right?
Isn't it?
In 8, yeah. And right, just 2 right there.
Kind of have to wiggle this thing out
right here
to make sure this part.
And then also when you test fit it, make sure everything's like hand tightened, and then adjust it to accordingly. So make sure, you know, nothing's loose. I wonder if this will sound different. Hopefully.
We'll find out in like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm make sure this thing is pretty tight though.
Right there. Where?
Oh yeah.
Oh. That's it?
Yeah.
Shoot. Oh. And we're gonna take this bad boy, put it in. There. And then we're gonna drop this filter. Make sure to put this in. This is really important.
You don't need it.
Yeah, we don't need these. We're the best player in the game, right?
No restriction at all.
Shoot. Just toss it in, right? Here. There we go. Woo!
F Sport.
Everything good?
Yes, sir. Sounds hella good. A little more. hella good. Alright, I see you. Okay.
Go.
Sounds good.
Right there around the block.
You know I'm gon' blast off in a Bentley truckin', I be going so fast. I don't care, bloody bottles like a demon.